All right, boys and girls, back to I Read Practice. And today we're going to be working on a brand new skill. So hopefully you are watching this video ready to learn about something else you should do while taking the iRead/iLearn test. All right, so we've already talked about a few things where it is expected that you first read all the questions with the story. But before we even do that, title of the story, Tricky Insects. Okay, so I'm thinking to myself, I'm about to read an article that's all about insects who are trying to trick maybe humans, maybe other animals. We're going to find out when we read the story. So then I'm going to, read all the questions. This is something that we've been working on, something that you should already be doing. When you took that iRead test, hopefully, or iRead practice test, hopefully you are using these skills. So I read this question, and I look over here and I'm like, instead of 4 questions, there are 8. And hopefully you notice there's these little lines right here and right here. That means that these questions, 1, 2, 3, 4, go with this same passage, Tricky Insects. The next set of lines means that it is a brand new set of questions. And this passage will go with questions 5, 6, 7, and 8. So first, I'm going to look at this very first one, read the questions for 1, 2, 3, 4, answer the questions for 1, 2, 3, 4, move on to my new story, and then read those questions and use those strategies. So, Tricky Insects. What would be a good title for this passage could be, sorry, Miss Buckle read that wrong. Another good title for this passage would be, all right, I'm looking over here. I haven't read this yet. I can't answer this question. I need to read it to know what else would be a good option. Birds do not eat leaf insects because this is one of those cause and effect questions. That means look for those key words. Birds do not eat leaf insects. Why? This is the cause. What is the effect? All right. Sorry, Ms. Buck was trying to delete this. It's not deleting. There we go. All right. Third question. Some butterflies look like dried leaves so they can lay. All right, one of those other things. This is a cause and effect. Look for dried leaves. Look for those word butterflies. Okay? What are they trying to do? Last question. One way stick insects are different from real sticks is that hopefully you're thinking to yourself, this is compare and contrast. So what makes them different? That's contrast, right? All right, what makes them different? That one you also have to read the article to know for sure. Or you could look for those words stick insects. I'm looking over here. Sticked insect. It's probably going to be somewhere in this paragraph. What makes them different? All right, so I then read the whole story, Tricky Insects, and answers questions 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, I'm going to go to my new story. Same strategies. What a seed needs. I think to myself, what does a seed need? I'm thinking to myself, what is a seed? Oh, it's a thing that makes flowers grow or trees grow or any plant life. They need seeds to grow. All All right, so this is going to also be nonfiction, right? All right, what is the passage about? Again, use the title to help you figure out what the passage is going to be about. Is there any clue with any ones that sounds similar to what a seed needs? All right, question number 6. Why does the seed need time? All right, so maybe look for those words time and find any word or any of these words near that word time. 7. What happens after a shoot comes up? When I see that word after, I think cause and effect. So what happens after? All right, and last question. Which sentence is an opinion? Oh, you can already answer this. Just look around here. Which of these can you not prove? This is something that a person can think, but another person could think a whole other thing. Something I cannot take a picture of. All right, hopefully you already have an answer. Try your best. In my class, if you are done early, you may go on Raz Kids or you may read quietly.